Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to make or do an intro. This is basically going to be free and all that stuff. So first of all, you want to go to Panzard.com. And then you'll see the Panzord, and you press that. And then you see all these clip maker, animation tool, background, and video editor. Today we're not going to be doing video editor or background. Today we are going to be doing Panzord. So you can see I just clicked on that. So let me show you it again. So what you want to push is Clip Maker, powerful online 2D and 3D animation tool. So you want to use that. Click it. And then you'll see all these end videos or intros. So I'm gonna find one. You can basically find one that you like. If you want to go to more creations, go all the way to the bottom and then click more creations. You can go to trending, latest, or top, or a type of topic or anything you guys would want. So I'm going to be finding one and I'll be back when I'm done. So guys, it actually took a bit long, but I actually found a song that I like. I'm not sure what the name of the song is, but I know he says "Stars in My Room." But I'm about to show you how to play your intro. So you just press this I thing right there, and then it will bring you to this green screen, and then you push this button right there next to the eye on the left. You click that, and then it will start the video. So guys, that is my intro. That's actually going to be my new intro because I like it. I am going to, you don't need to do anything else, but what you need to do is do your name. Okay. So guys, you have to find the thing that shows right here. So you see this text name that matches with that. So you want to do this. So I'm going to put Sophia Plays Roblox. That is how you're going to do it, and then you're going to do the other one. Sophia Plays Roblox. So, guys, what you want to do is find the one that matches. You want to find the one that matches your item. Okay. Okay. Name. Oh god, I forgot this one. Sophia plays Roblox. So now you have that, and now you can go ahead and click the eye that shows the green screen and the play button. It'll start. So that is how you do it. And then how to download your intro is you just start that and it'll start downloading, and I'll show you what it looks like after it's done downloading. It won't take 2 minutes. But if it goes quicker for yours, that's good. And then I'll show you what to do when you're done and how to post or like put your intro on your on your YouTube channel. So I'll show you how to do that when this thing is done. Now I'll see you in a couple minutes. Bye. So guys, it's almost done. So a few seconds. And it's done. So now if you wanna edit it more, you can do edit. I haven't did a video on that, but I am going to press download your video. Thank you for using Password. Your downloading is starting. So it'll go right there. Mine's done. If you open video, movies and TVs, this is what it will happen. And your video's downloaded. Okay, so mine is 10 seconds. Once it's downloaded, you want to X out of all this stuff. And X out of Panzord. And then you want to go to YouTube. If you don't have YouTube, go ahead and download it. I mean log in to it. So then you want to go to your channel, and then you want to go to customize, or you can go to the top and upload video right there. That's another choice for quicker. But I am gonna use create, and I'm gonna do upload videos, and then you go to select files. And this is the weird part, but I'm not sure how much of you guys have this on your computer. But I basically go to this downloads one, and then you'll see the video that I just did, the intro that I'm going to be putting up. And then I'm just gonna put new intro. Oh my god. Sorry if I'm changing my intro a lot, but I'm not changing my name, which is good. So new intro, and then I'm gonna change the description. Final intro. Oh my god, why am I spelling it incorrect? Wait, that's not how you I am not good at this. Okay. So once it uploaded, which is gonna be pretty quick, And then playlists, and then you can just do ahead. Yes, it's for kids. Do you want to comment? Yeah. So I guess I want, like, basically this is weird, but people don't get to comment if I do yes, it's made for kids. But I don't get to if I push yes. Basically, it's made for kids. It's not gonna be a premiere. It's just a 10-second video. So, then you can share it if you want. I'm not sharing anything. You can just share if you want. So I'm gonna close that, and then once you're done, you want to go to your channel, and there you go. Once it loads, so that is how you upload your intro and get an intro. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to comment down below what you think of this video, and make sure to like and check out my other videos, and maybe you'll be in my future videos. And this is my profile. This is my game that I made. Oh my god, why is it going there? And this is my game that I made. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye!